Yeah, hold on.
Little light study snack.
10 out of 10. Oh my god, it's 3. No.
They're focaccia bites.
Oh, in here?
Yeah.
Alice, you could have one of
Oh. Oh, these look good.
Yummy.
Ooh!
I
didn't slice it.
We literally picked slice.
Oh my god.
Three. Oh fuck! Wait, stop. Let me start again. Three free shots.
That reading is also from this book for this week.
OOTD. Wow. Look at my hair.
Oh, I like it.
I'm trying to show them that I'm wearing heels.
Oh. Straight cake.
But what if I accidentally bought Wiggles? Accidentally.
I love a wiggle.
What if we bought...
Oh,
I would go there. Wow, amazing.
we got chased around everywhere. They went down these rapids. They went into the secret lab.
And National Rail Services. Exit for Riverbank.
What you found out. Yeah, so it's probably easier than.
And then no, I've never seen it on the loop.
Okay,
Hi guys.
these are the only scissors I have, and today we're gonna cut Beau's hair really, really short. So I'll check back in very soon. Let me start, yeah, around that. Oh. I think it looks really good so far, Beau.
And that's my little iris. I feel like this is your go-to crazy, is mac and cheese.
I'm cutting all my hair off.
Yeah. Bubble, bubble.
Art.
I love
in the nicest way.
What is this? Me taking photos?
No, the photos you were taking.
Oh, I know. I'm
Okay.
just trying to find. Much like I can never guess the amount of pastas used, I can never guess the consistency.
I couldn't even see it.
Yeah, that.
I saw that. I mean, I didn't see that as well.
Why is there a rabbit? Why is there a rabbit?
Giles and Joe found it on the walk and
Of
like,
course they did.
yeah, and they're like, it's got mixed mitosis, it's gonna die.
Managed to escape this morning.
Really?
Yeah, well that's a positive.
Yeah, got out of the box and I found it hiding underneath the vacuum cleaner.
So healthy.
Little Dumpster's brother or whatever,
Dumpster.
whatever it's called.
Yeah, I don't actually know what they called it. Me and my Hot Wars Whistle against the world. You'll never see me anywhere without one. I love them. Nothing. This is. I don't think that's what we ordered. Yeah, that looks like pistachio and original. Not miso, caramel, banana, and cherry! The fuck? The frick? Okay, well we've got the right toppings. What? I need one. I can't go any longer, Alice. Alice, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm having actual nicotine withdrawal. I think it's why I threw up. I think I just need a cigarette. Stop filming me!